everyone. I have a box in here from Gelt. I order there. It's a Chloe. Slip-on Chloe. I'm gonna unboxing. This is one. This is my slip-on sandals. It's size 37. Chloe. It's Chloe. Okay, this is the dash bag. With dash bag here. You can put this one here. This is the Chloe. It's Chloe sandals. Slip on. It's good for the summer. This is size 37. It's on Gelt.com. Oh, they have a lot of branded clothes, shoes, bags, and they're always on sale. So, doon ako nagsha-shopping. Kasi minsan sa store, hindi sila nag-sale. Tapos ito mga ano na laman, yung bang mga tira-tira, tapos inaano nila sa online. So, ito, size 37, last size na lang to. Paunahan ng size, depende, pag naka-timing. So, it's nice. Very nice, and it's affordable. And who like Chloe? This is the one. Check kayo sa website nila, gilt.com. So, very nice. Makakita kayo ng magaganda doon. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam, may nagsabi rin sa akin yung mga boss ko sa work. So, nag-try ako doon. So, doon ako namimili. Pili-pili ng sale. Kasi kung hindi sale, hindi tayo maka-afford. So, salamat guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.